So much for a lovely weekend. We've really enjoyed ourselves. Have you had a nice time?
We've assembled, but you're the heroes.
Thank you all for being good sports. Thank you for being honest and just willing to have a wonderful weekend with a bunch of really strange people. But we love what we do and we're grateful that you're here. We're here for you. So thank you for the time and the passion that you put into what we're doing. And we can only hope that we are returning that to you guys as well. Thank you so much.
Ce week-end par exemple.
Yeah, I would like to echo those comments and say thank you very much for your generosity and for your supporting us and our shows. And as much as we work, you don't often get to come in contact with the fans, and it's very special to us. So thank you for that. Also, I have a question that I would like you to consider. I'm not going to answer it now. Until the next time we meet, what is the difference between jam and jelly? What is the difference between jam and jelly? Consider.
Voilà, il vous pose une question. Pour la prochaine fois que vous les verrez, quelle est la différence entre le jam et la gelée? Et la confiture, pardon. Confiture et gelée.
We just can't leave it on that note.
Ça peut pas se finir comme ça, donc il va dire autre chose.
Yes, you guys have all been very super cool. And I don't think this has been said yet, but we have assembled, but you're the heroes. Oh, it's been said. Oh, sorry.
Ça n'a jamais été dit encore, mais ils se sont rassemblés. Mais c'est vous les héros de ce week-end.
En pire convention, vous remercie à tous de votre venue. J'espère que cet événement vous a tous satisfait. Et je voudrais remercier tout d'abord les acteurs de s'être déplacés, les agents, les photographes, la sécurité, l'équipe du Novotel et surtout vous les fans, parce que sans vous, il n'y aurait pas de convention. Voilà. J'ai un staff merveilleux et je les remercie de tout mon cœur.
So we, Empire Conventions, would like to thank all of you guys for coming and for showing these guys an amazing weekend. We'd like to thank you guys for being such great fans. You've been respectful, you've been really nice. We read every comment. And thank you for the security team, to our photographers, to the hotel Paris, guys, for welcoming us. And we also want to thank, because we do have an amazing staff, so yes, we'd like to do that.
Merci!